I'm here with the TheCoasterViews for media night. We're going to check out all the mazes. We're going to get the opening ceremony. And we're just very excited to be here. Spooky season has officially begun. We had that in common. We had Grace in common. Ceremonies. Those clowns are creepy. So cool, and so much more to come. I'm here with Miguel and Janelle.
Hey!
Hi! At Horror Nights.
Yeah, what a day.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're trying to get immersed into this Halloween Horror Nights, trying to get the scare. Our hearts are like racing.
I know.
We just finished doing WWE and it smelled terrible in there.
Yeah, it was like literally immerse you into the maze. It's so cool, the sights and the smell, and then like there's a funny surprise in there.
Okay.
Yeah, I still don't know what WWE had to do with any of that, but it was cool.
What else have you loved already that you've been in?
Five Nights at Freddy was amazing. I thought that was really great. I think so far the most scares we've gotten was from Scarecrow.
Okay.
That's the one got the most scared.
So
It's just pop-up after pop-up after pop-up.
Oh, that's exciting.
So yeah, it's been great.
We'll prepare for that. Thank you. Have a great time tonight, guys.
Very nice.
Yeah, bye guys.
It's magical journeys.
Yeah.
That's cute.
That's so cool.
That's good. Megan Popcorn Bucket.
Hi, we're here at Halloween Horror Nights 2025. I have the nails.
Is there anything special about the pizza or is it just normal pizza? It's not the box.
And my Instagram is Steven Goes Somewhere.
Steven Goes Somewhere.
And I'm here at Horror Nights tonight.
Yes, well, I see you everywhere, Steven Goes Somewhere. And your outfit tonight caught my eye.
Hamikuma. He's one of the characters from Japan that they brought this year. I think the Wyatt 6 was surprisingly my favorite. And that's kind of like it was kind of like a wild card right there because I wasn't expecting that one.
Okay, well, we're about to go check it out.
Yeah, that was fun.
Please keep walking. Photos of people. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Look at the homie right